Hello students, let's read the given question. Joseph jogs from one end A to the other end B of a straight 300-meter road in 2 minutes and 30 seconds and then turns around and jogs 100 meter back to point C in another 1 minute. What are Joseph's average speeds and velocities in jogging from A to B and from A to C? Let's represent this question diagrammatically. We have been given a straight road of 300 meters. Joseph jogs from point A to point B, that are 300 meters apart, in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Further, he turns around and jogs to point C, that is 100 meter apart from point B in opposite direction. So now we have to calculate the average speeds and velocities from point A to point B and from point A to point C. Let's do it for point A to point B, which are 300 meters apart. So the calculations for the first part will include the total distance covered represented by capital D, that is the difference or the length of the road, that is given as 300 meters in the question. Displacement represented as small d is the shortest distance traveled. So here the shortest distance is itself 300 meters. The time taken represented as capital T is 2 minutes 30 seconds. That is equivalent to 1 minute is having 60 seconds, so 2 minutes is having 120 seconds plus 30 seconds, sum total of 150 seconds. Now we have to calculate the average speed, whose formula is given by the total distance covered divided by the total time taken. That is 300 meters divided by 150 seconds. And on doing mathematical calculation, we get the answer as 2 meters per second. Now, to calculate the average velocity, we have to make use of the net displacement, that is given by small d divided by the total time taken. So that is equals to again 300 meters divided by 150 seconds, as distance and displacement was same in this scenario. So the average speed and average velocities are also same, that is equivalent to 2 meters per second. Now let's do the calculations for second scenario. That is from A to C. So first, Joseph's move from A to B, that is 300 meters, and then from B to C 100 meters. So total distance D covered is equals to 300 meters plus 100 meters, sum total of 400 meters. The displacement small d here is 300 meters minus 100 meters, that is equals to 200 meters. It is so because displacement is the shortest distance. So here 300 meter was the total distance and 100 meter was in opposite. So 300 minus 100 is 200 meters. The total time taken from moving from A to B was 2.5 minutes. That was 150 seconds plus motion from B to C was given as 1 minute, that is equal to 16 seconds, 60 seconds. So the sum total becomes 210 seconds. Again, we will calculate the average speed as total distance covered divided by total time taken, that is 400 divided by 210. On doing mathematical calculations, we get the answer as 1.90 meter per second. Now, to calculate the average velocity, we will make use of net displacement divided by total time taken. In the previous part, the displacement and distance were equal, but here displacement is different. That is 200 divided by 210. So the correct answer on calculation is 0.95 meters per second. So let's jot down the final answers. So for part A, average speed is equals to average velocity equals to 2 meter per second, and for part B, average speed equals to 1.90 meters per second and average velocity equals to 0.952 meters per second. I hope you have understood the question and its solution well.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.